Hello. So today I'm going to be doing my girlfriend's makeup. I believe she wanted it to be inspired by Say So music video by musical artist Doja Cat. And yeah.
Wait. Let me. Which
I don't
one?
need to look at a
Okay.
picture. I don't need to look at a picture. I'm an
Well, at least
artist.
show them. Who are you? Is it gonna be Doja Cat at least?
I don't know. Okay,
Show them a picture.
This is what we're gonna be aiming for. Probably not.
Well, then you pick the other one. She has different looks.
Oh, there you go. So I think that's what she wants me to do, but probably gonna end up looking like
Don't look up whatever you're about to look up.
what should I do? This is what I'm gonna end up doing.
You're so annoying.
Yeah,
It's not gonna turn. Well, I don't know. You've never done this before to me, so maybe.
I think that would be easy to do. You want me to do Trixie Mattel makeup on you?
No, because that's easy. You could just draw all over my face. And
Alright, so
do you know what you're doing first?
is that how you do this stuff?
I forgot something.
We've successfully filmed 5 minutes of nothing.
How'd you even know what primer was?
I've seen videos.
No, you don't have to put it like on my eyeball, but like around it. Cheeks, chin, forehead. Or you can use like 2 fingers. I think it would help it. You're like finger painting. Don't be so aggressive.
I'm a makeup artist. Let me do my own. It smells kind of good.
I think it's watermelon. Did it spray? Oh my god, it's all over my dresser.
What the hell is this stuff?
Yeah, it's fine. You better. I didn't even see how much you put. Try like instead of rubbing, yeah. Oh, my eyeball.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh.
Oh.
Ow, you're gonna miss me. You're like low key trying to hurt me with this.
No, I'm not. It's just so blotchy. I think I need more. Oh, this is how they do it. Yeah. I've seen that before. Oh, that looks better though. It looks a little bit more blended. Ah!
This is concealer. Goes under the eyes. Don't put a lot because this stuff is really, really, really thick.
Bad. You want your nose to look cinched and skinny, sisters? I don't know.
Oh my, when you try to blend this, it's gonna be very dark, so be careful.
Look at the mirror. Is it that bad?
No, just blend it out good and you'll be fine.
Do I need more than that?
Mm-mm. You don't need more. Where else are you gonna put it? Oh my god, don't put it on my eyelid.
Oh, ooh, magic. Making your jawline look snatched.
Ooh. So, you want to powder? You want powder?
What's so
Why
funny about
that's,
that?
I don't know, it just sounds funny. Oh.
How do I powder?
No, that's expensive powder. You don't get to use that.
How do I powder?
That's like $40 powder. No. And I don't have that much left. So you have to use the cheap drugstore one.
So my powder's gonna look bad?
No, it's not. Just this one's stop. Don't.
I never get to do your makeup.
Are you putting like 110% effort into this?
Ah!
See, that's what I said. It goes everywhere.
How do you do this?
So you could put it like under my eyes, wherever you want it to be lighter.
So you always want your forehead to shine bright like a diamond. I see people put powder all over their whole face.
That in my eyeball. Give me a second. It's powder. You're supposed to let it sit for a second.
Bake.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. You get the highlighter.
Okay. Where else does it go?
I don't know. Wherever you already decided it's going other places.
Here you go, Mama. Here you go. Okay, now what?
Okay, eyes. I'm gonna put it on the eyeshadow. You can also like go back and forth. You don't have to stipple. Kind of spit with that one.
Sorry. This is a lot of work, okay? This is really hard. I don't know how to do this. I don't know what I'm doing. No. What did I do?
Just don't poke my eyeball out.
This is gonna be the worst thing ever. I already know it. This is where it's gonna go extremely horrible. Oh my God! Why'd you do that?
I didn't do that.
Yes, you did. You ruined it.
No, you did.
You went. You made me go down.
I didn't do it.
Yes, you did.
Oh my God, that's how it looks anyways. What are you talking about? That's what you want.
Oh, Danny! Stop moving!
You went into my eyeball.
That's horrible. Alright. The thickness on this side, come on.
What?
The thickness on that side compared to the other one is horrible.
Okay, then just make the other one thicker.
But that's worse.
At this point, who cares?
Oh, it came out the side.
Oh, it's fine.
What the heck?
I don't care at this point. It's coming off the side. Who cares?
Oh my God, they're so low. Or fine? I don't know. No, this is not.
Just leave it. Okay, do the next one.
This is what we were going for. And that's what we got.
We're not done. What now?
Doja.
That's plenty.
Oh my God, this looks so bad. You will never bring honor to your family. That's what you look like. Well, I give myself a 71.3. The makeup itself at first is not that bad. Even the eyes weren't that bad until the eyeliner and the lips.
It's pretty impressive.
The eyeliner, look at the eyeliner.
I just noticed you forgot to do eyebrows on me, but it's okay. Anyways, thank you for watching our Doja Cat recreation of the Say So music video. I hope you liked it. And Anthony's makeup looks
Disappointed.
But anyways, thanks for watching. See ya next time.